Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In the last video we discussed third chapter of biology from 9th class. Now today we discuss the fourth chapter of biology. Now in this unit you will learn about microscopic study, cellular structures and functions, cell size and shapes, animals and plant tissue. Number 1 is microscopic emergence of cell theory. Zachary Stanis is the first to invent the compound microscope in 1590, but Robert Hooke improved his versions of compound microscope to observe organisms. Now, other topic is there are two microscopes used in microscopy. One is light microscope and other is electron microscope. Now, other subtopic is cellular structures and functions. We look some of basic cells structures and organelles in animal and plant cells. Now here is difference between animal and plant cell. Other topic is difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Difference between in these are only nucleus and membrane bounded presence. Now, other subtopics is cell organelles. There are cell organelles. One is cytoplasm, number two lysosomes, Golgi bodies, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, and ribosomes. Now, other topic is animal tissue. There are four types of animal tissue. One is epithelial tissue, two is connective tissue, third is muscle tissue, and four is nervous tissue. Now, other topic is plant tissue. There are two types of plant tissue. Number one is meristematic tissue. Number two is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are three types. Number one, apical meristematic, intercalary and lateral meristematic, and permanent tissue in xylem, phloem, groin tissue and dermal tissue. And the last topic is permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is again divided into simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. In the simple permanent tissue, the tissue are made up of single type of cell like parenchyma, collenchyma and scalenchyma. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.